Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Judy Hopps from Zootopia 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Let's draw two large curves up and bring it down, leaving a gap in the center. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. Now inside at the top, let's draw another curve to thicken up the top of each eye. Now start on the inside corner and let's draw a circular curve down. And then a circle inside. And color these both in black. And then let's add one more circle next to it on the top outer corner. And then lastly, for the eyes, let's draw some eyelashes with curves along the top edge. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the nose. Let's start underneath the eyes and let's draw two angles in the center. And then let's add two bumps going in. And then bring it down to a point underneath. Now inside the nose, let's draw two curves along the bottom edge and color it in black. Now for the mouth, let's draw a small line down underneath and two curves out and up. And a small curve at the end of each side. And that's it for the mouth. Now we're going to hop to the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. And then let's bring it down on each side, stopping next to the eyes. Now on each side, let's curve it out for the cheeks. And then bring it down, meeting at the center. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve out and down on top of each eye. Then for the center, a small line up. And then let's curve it out and down. And then color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyebrows. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the ears on top. Let's draw two curves up and out from the top of the head. Now from the top, let's bring it back down on each side. Now we're going to do the same thing inside. Let's start with two curves up. And bring it back down with a slightly wavy line like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw 2 angles down and in. And then we're going to bring it down for the inside of the jacket. Now at the top, let's hop out and let's draw 2 small lines down. Angle it down for the shoulders. And then let's curve it in. And back out at the bottom. And then close off each side of the jacket with a curve down. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details to the jacket. At the top, let's draw 2 angled lines for the collar. And then another angle across each shoulder. Now in the center, let's draw a curve down on each side of the jacket. And one more curve on the bottom corners. Now in between the jacket at the top, we're going to draw her t-shirt by drawing a V-shaped point down. And one more underneath this one. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop underneath and let's step in slightly and let's draw 2 curves down for the hips. And now before we continue drawing the legs, let's hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it out on each side. Then underneath, let's draw another angle out. And bring it down to the hips. Now from the outside, let's angle it in, stopping here. And a curve across for the bottom of the sleeves. Now for the hand, let's draw a bump down. Curve it out and in for the fingers. Then let's bring it back up to the hips to close off the hands. Lastly, inside the arms here, let's draw an angle near the top. And bring it up. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start inside the hips here and let's draw 2 curves across for the belt. Then let's draw 2 lines in the center with a square inside. And 2 more on the left and on the right. Now underneath the belt in the center, let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right side. Now let's move over and let's draw a curve on the right for the pocket. And on the left, we're going to draw the badge with a line down and over. Now for the badge inside, let's draw 2 curves at the top. A curve down on each side. And curve it down to a point at the bottom. And then let's add a circle inside. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the legs. From the center, let's angle it out. And bring it down. Then from the outside, let's angle it in. And bring it down. And close off each pant leg with a curve at the bottom. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the feet. Let's start with a line down from the center. Then let's curve it out and down for the tops of the feet. Now a small curve in. Curve it down and in for the next toe. And then one more to close off each foot. And that's it for Judy Hopps. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!